Well, today I'm going to talk to you about choosing an auto body repair shop that is reputable and will really do a good job for you. Really, the first thing you need to do, though, is communicate with your insurance provider before even getting an estimate, because in most cases, your repair probably will be an insurance-provided repair. And so confirm with them if they have requirements in your state on getting an estimate, and whether they have requirements on which repair shop will repair. In some states, insurance companies require you to bring your vehicle to a shop of their choosing. And however, in many other states, including the state of Washington, laws do not allow insurance companies to require that you bring your vehicle to a proprietary shop. So this is important for you to know, because then you can choose any shop you want. And of course, you want a very reputable shop, one that's going to do a fantastic work, one that communicates with you. When you are finished and you receive that vehicle back, you should be looking at it thinking, wow, this is just like it's never happened. It's beautiful. So here are 10 steps I'm going to share with you today on choosing an auto body repair shop. The first thing is, what kind of reputation does this shop have for those who it served in the past? And this is really simple to do. Just get on the internet, search on the major search sites like Google and Bing for reviews, testimonials, complaints, things like this, with the body shop name. And the body shop, if it has a good history, it will be reflected in these testimonials. You get a really good idea really quickly whether this is a shop you want to bring your vehicle to for even the estimate. And also you can look at other sites like the Better Business Bureau and other sites like this to see if there's a good standing or a negative one. Does your body shop give comprehensive written estimates? Well, we feel this is very important. The comprehensive written estimate really says that they caught most of the things, or if not all of them. It's difficult to catch all of them until you dismantle the vehicle, but they're writing it down, they're giving it to you in detail and communicating that to you. Also, do they provide customer service type provisions, car rental service? A reputable shop always will have rental services available immediately. I mean, those rental vehicles are ready to go before the estimate oftentimes is even over. Do they have a shuttle service? Well, this is fantastic. If you don't have rental service, or you don't require but you need a ride home, instead of getting into a taxi cab and costing $30, a lot of shops will shuttle you home or to work or wherever. Does the shop you're considering have a lifetime warranty, and is it written for workmanship and these type of things, as long as you own the car? Very, very important for a reputable shop. How about this? Very, very simple one. How long have they been in business? 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 30 years? Have they been serving the community for many years, and is the community aware of them, and do they have a good reputation? Are they associated with insurance companies as a preferred shop? Here's the way it works. Insurance companies are picky, and they're picky about who represents them. So if a shop is holding what's called a direct repair program, or in the industry it's called a DRP, it's really a good thing, because it says something about the shop. It says, one is that they're probably under-promising and over-delivering their customers. They have good business practices. They're reputable. They use the correct parts. They follow OEM or manufacturer's requirements when they repair. They don't cut corners. They stand behind their work. All of these things and tenure in business connects these insurance companies with reputable shops. And finally, what is the timeline? When you come in, that repair estimate should indicate when they're going to take it into their shop and how long it's going to take. And you can bank on that. Sometimes there's challenges here and there, we understand that, but it should be reasonably on time. And with that being said also, does that shop regularly communicate by phone calls and emails and texts about the progress of the vehicle and really keep you informed? That's important as well. And then finally, after you meet the team, and this requires that you go to the shop obviously and meet the people at the collision shop. How do they treat you when you're getting the estimate? Do they really care? Do they spend time with you? How do you feel about them? Do they seem professional? Did they treat you with respect? Did they listen to you, your questions and concerns, and did they answer your questions? Do you get a good feeling about the shop? Was it clean? Was it professional? If you don't think it is, then why would you get an estimate from that shop? It doesn't make sense. And finally, I mean, bottom line, being involved in an accident or being a victim of a vandalism, it's so stressful. And really the last thing you need is more stress just finding a collision center in itself, finding a rental car, communicating with the insurance company. And if you're injured, you've got, extra worries and pain. So by following these simple steps, a little prep, a little planning, looking back on it, you should be thinking this: it's as if it never happened. And I'll give you one other tip. Consider Collision One. Collision One has been in the Pacific Northwest for over 30 years, multiple shops up and down the I-5 corridor, very convenient located. We really do a good job at Collision One. And when you get your vehicle back, in fact, it's our tagline, just like it never happened. That is our goal for you. So check us out, collision1.com. I hope to see you soon.
Collision One. Auto body like it never happened.